How to list and set environment variables in Linux. To list environment variable, we will use env command. It will list all the variable. We can also use the same command, uh, print env. It will also list all variable. Now, if you want to set an environment variable, we will use set then variable name. Let's say abc. Then its value is welcome. Now this variable will set into environment variable. Now if we want to unset or remove the environment variable, we will use simply unset then variable name abc. It will remove that variable from the environment. Now to verify, we will again use env command. Now the variable is removed from the environment variable. How to use yum package manager in Linux Red Hat distribution. Yum is not only used for install packages but also install dependencies. To list all the software which are installed by using yum, we will use yum and then type list. It will show all the installed softwares. Now if you want to search for specific software, we will use yum search and then here the software name, let's say httpd. It will show us the installed httpd software. Now if you want to remove some software, we will use yum remove pd. It will remove that software. We have to use with admin privileges sudo yum remove httpd. It will just remove that software. Now if we want to install that software, we will use yum install http. It will install that software and its dependencies. Yum install http yum install httpd. So yum install httpd with admin privileges. Now the software is installed, and to install the dependencies, we will confirm it. Yes. Now it will download all the packages and dependencies. It will install all the dependencies which are required by HTTPD software. Now the software installed. How to create directories in Linux. To create directory, we will use mkdir command and then specify the folder name, test folder or directory. Here the directory is created by that command. If we want to multiple directories, then we will use mkdir dir1 space dir2. It will create two directories in one go. Now if we want to uh, create another directory, we will use mkdir minus p switch and then specify a slash b slash c slash d. It will create a parent and child relational directory. Let's verify it. ls cd to verify 3 minus 3 or a. It will create directory inside another directory. How to create hidden files and directories in Linux. To create hidden files and directories, we will simply use touch command, and then before the file name we will place a single dot. Let's see the syntax. Use touch and then dot and test file 1.txt. The hidden file is created. To check the hidden file, if we normally use ls, it will not show this. To see hidden file, we will use ls minus a. It will show the hidden file. Now if we want to create a hidden directory, we will use mkdir. Before the directory name we will place a dot and then my dir. It will create that directory. To see this ls minus a, here is the hidden directory is created. How to copy files and directories in Linux. To copy files, we will use cp command, cp.txt, and in download file we want to copy that file, download folder. Now I want to ls download. Now the file is copied there. Now if we want to copy multiple files, cp command again, cp.txt and another .txt in now in document directory. Now if to verify ls document directory, here we copied both the file in one go. Now we want to copy a folder or directory, then we will use, now if we will use cp command and test into document. Now it's showing the error minus r is not specified. Now if we want copy file, we will use copy minus r, then test, and then document. It will copy folder that there.
Please do subscribe our channel and also like, comment and share our videos. Thank you.